Hello everyone! So for today's video, I'll be sharing to you my favorite 5-1 Talk teaching song. Siyempre, yung favorite ko is yung ending na kasi tapos na yung klase, yung goodbye song. Okay, so let's sing it together in 3, 2, 1. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.